Office of the mayor on the right side. And we are now here in the hallway. So let's go around. It's the tourism office. And this is the engineering office. Engineering office. Good morning. Good morning. You are now live on Batang San Mateo videos. Good morning po sa inyo lahat. Yes. Para po sa website natin. Yes. Live video na po ito. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you po. Mr. Mendoza, good morning po. I'm back again. Video po to. Say hello po to the world. Mr. Mendoza, siya ang head ng engineering department. Thank you po. Hi, ma'am. Say hello po.
Hello.
Yan ang mga masasayang staff ng San Mateo Rizal. Okay, maraming salamat, guys. Thank you, thank you. Hi.
Yes.
And this is the tourism office. Let's go inside. Hello, we are now inside the tourism office of the municipality of San Mateo Rizal. You are now live on Batang San Mateo video. Yes.
Morning po.
Good morning. Say hello to the world.
Thank you. Welcome for San Mateo Municipality.
Yes. Mabuhay ang San Mateo.
Yes, mabuhay.
Yes. Andito ba sila? May mga tao sa loob.
Opo.
Good morning.
Good morning po.
Yes. And dito ang office ni SK Federation President, Mr. Jose Diaz. Nasa meeting sila ngayon. Thank you, thank you.
Ay, salamat.
So we are here now. Morning, Cap. Slash po, Batang San Mateo. Opo. Ito na po. 2 weeks na po. Now, sir, say hello to the world. Batang San Mateo po. Captain po ng Barangay Santa Ana.
Thank you.
Sige po.
Nangyari ka na po.
And let's go to the 3rd floor. We're now going to the 3rd floor of the Municipal Hall of San Mateo Rizal. On the right is the councilor's office. On the left is the Sangguniang Bayan office. And on the right is the councilor's office. Councilor's office. On the left is Sangguniang Bayan Secretariat. Sangguniang Bayan Secretariat. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning po. Yes, you're now live for Batang San Mateo website. Say hello po.
Hello, good morning.
Yan ang mga masasayang
Maulang Lunes.
employee ng San Mateo Rizal.
Masayang maulang Lunes.
Yes.
Malamig pala.
And this is the office of the secretary, Ms. Kabusay. Oh,
Birthday
birthday leave.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maraming salamat po.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
Anytime.
I'll be back next year again. Abangan na lang po nyo to sa website at sa Facebook.
Okay,
Thank you, thank you. Office of the Vice Mayor. And we are now here at the Office of the Vice Mayor. Vice Mayor's office. Good morning. Andito si Vice? Wala sila ngayon. Okay, thank you. Okay, babalik na lang ako. Thank you. Gandang umaga po, sir.
Wala. Para saan yan? Para saan?
Batang San Mateo.
Okay.
This is the Municipal Councilor's Office. San Mateo. Okay. Bila yung daan. And let's go inside the office of these councilors. Good morning, guys. Yes. You are now live on Batang San Mateo videos para po sa website natin. And we are now here at the office of the councilors here in the municipality of San Mateo, Rizal. Say hello po. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Wala pa yung mga... Yes, mga busy pa sila. Nasa meeting. Hello, ma'am. Morning, sir. Morning, ma'am. Say hello po sa Mateo. And beautiful girl. Good morning, ma'am. Hello po. Thank you. So this is the office of the councilors. Yes, medyo nasa meeting pa lang sila. Thank you very much. Thank you po.
May nalulog daw.
Thank you, ma'am. So this is the third floor of the Municipal Hall of San Mateo, Rizal. And this is the hallway. And then we're going down now. And this is Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall. And we have here on the left the Commission on Audit. Hello, ma'am. Para sa Batang San Mateo website po, say hello po. Thank you. We are now here in the office of the Commission on Audit. Thank you. Now, and this is the office of the DILG Pleb office. Let's go inside. Good morning. Good morning. Ito pang office ng DILG. Okay, or now live po para sa Batang San Mateo. Say hello po to the world.
Hello.
Mr. Oliver Montefalcon, sila pong operation officer. Thank you po. Yan po. Then we'll go to the other floors again. So, that's the stock room. Now, we're done with the business. Let's go to the other schools of San Mateo, Rizal. We are now here on the third floor, and what you can see now is the second floor and the ground floor. Okay then.